Wow, fucking hell, it's like Elon Musk just gave Twitter a fucking hug, from death itself. Hey, X, I'll take you for tens of billions of dollars and watch you slowly rot away into irrelevance. And you know what? It might have been a bad move, but only if we're talking about the users and advertisers who were fleeing in terror like their account balances were on fire. I mean, come on, folks, $44 billion was a shit ton of cash for a platform that's basically just a dumpster fire of hate speech and Elon's Twitter rants. But hey, who needs users or revenue when you've got the promise of generative AI-powered chatbots learning from your 280 character insults? That's like finding a needle in a fucking haystack, son of a bitch. And let me tell you, Fidelity's latest valuation boost is just the cherry on top. It's like they're saying, hey, Elon, we still trust you, even when you endorse anti-Semitic posts. I mean, that's not confidence, that's just conditional surrender. We'll give you 32.37% more money because we can't quite bring ourselves to call you a retard. But seriously, the fact that X is now worth $12.5 billion is like winning the lottery, for the $12.5 billion, and the rest of us who are stuck with the bill. It's a beautiful thing, folks. The only question is, what's next? Is Elon going to sell X to Google and make us all pay for his Twitter rants forever? Pauses, you know what they say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. When life gives you a $44 billion social media platform with a questionable business model, just sell it to the highest bidder, and then watch as your rival tech companies scramble to buy their own AI-powered chatbots from newspapers and authors. Ah, the beauty of the market, folks. Winks.